YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Sledgexl, knows my channel sneakerhead. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications when I post new videos. Yo, as you already saw from the title, I've got the Jordan 5, you know, the blue ones on deck. And without further ado, let's get into it so you know what I'm talking about, okay? So I picked this up a long time ago and I capped size 11 at that time. There you go. Box price is $190. It's been sitting in my collection, collecting debt, you know. But overall, it's a very decent, clean shoes. Okay. All right. Let's get into a quick review from here. So the shoe is just predominantly blue, and it's suede. If you could see, if you could feel the waves, see the waves right there. Lateral side, blue panels over here. It's like a mesh, but it's plastic, like rubber, and then all over it's just blue. I see blue over here. Over here you've got your air bubble. On the back you've got your Jumpman in black over here, embroidered on there. Medial side you've got your side panel, meshy, you know, plastic looking side panel over there. I would say midsole is also blue. You've got your air bubble right there. Toe box blue, suede obviously. Shoelaces are blue. It's got a lace lock, the clear plastic crystal, and then there's also like a blue lace lock inside. On the tongue you've got your Jumpman over here. The tongue is like a silver 3M material, so it kind of glows in the dark when you wear them. Yeah. Other than that, looking over the insole, it's gonna be hard to bring it out. Let's just say here, Air Jordan on the tongue, inside of the tongue in black, and then the insole is blue. Yeah, very straightforward color. It's just totally blue. The bottoms, you've got your Jumpman in black right there, blue, say royal blue, and then the IC is getting a little bit yellow on me. Other than that, that is it. All right, very simple shoe. Jordan 5s are kind of like easy to style. They are very comfortable, and a lot of people don't like to collect it. I would say it's one of the least collected Jordans that are made, because I don't know, for some weird reason a lot of people don't like the Jordan 5s. But anyways, what can you rock with this? You could do black jeans, you know, white top with blue accent. You could do blue cap. Kansas City Royals can go very well. You could also do the LA Dodgers blue cap. It's gonna go very well with these. Yeah, man. Stay tuned for the on-feed action, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to go subscribe, click the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications and you are not left out. But until I see you next in my other video, stay tuned for the on-feed. Peace and out.
Hey, Pete Bowler. I know for a second, y'all ain't think I was playing with y'all. There's somebody else, I'm not the one. But if that's what you want, then that's what you gon' get. We can lick some shots if you want. Pull up in that pop if you want. Whip it till it's rock if you want. Put the shit on lock if you want. We can throw some pop if you want. Order up some shots if you want. Baby, kiss my cock if you want. Baby, make it pop if you want. I don't leave you on. I don't leave you on. Let's go. Try to make me stop if you want. I don't leave you on. I don't leave you on. Let's go. We can make some guap if you want. Right now I'm swooping stupid Buddha. You should roll up a pack. There ain't no woods, you stupid loser. Who would roll up in that? Though I was foreign, I was starving, I would roll up and laugh. Now I'm just charming like I'm charming. Now I roll up and rap. I style a wiggle, that's the wiggle, and I blow it, you know. me some Play-Doh, call it bagels, cause it's over, you know. Finna get ugly, it's getting ugly, just retire, you got. You niggas bug me, I'ma fire you, fly. We can lick some shots if